You know I hate sleeping alone.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline. You guys can call me Jackie. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, again, welcome. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, I have an unboxing. So some of you may have known that like I was in Paris, and if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I bought my first Louis Vuitton piece, and I am now finally unboxing it after literally weeks of being back home in the US. So yeah, let's just get into it. But first, let's just like kind of go through what I've been. So as you can tell, my room looks completely different. I'm back in my room. I no longer have blue walls. I am going to show you guys a finished room tour when I have finished renovating my room. And if you have any questions, comments, whatever, please link them down below about purchasing the bag in Paris, about things like that. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so backstory, I told myself I was going to buy the bag on my birthday, and then I went to the store on the Champs-Elysees, and then I was like, you know what, let me just wait and see if I like really want to do this. And I told myself I would wait to the end of the trip. So the end of the trip comes, and I go to the Champs-Elysees to buy the bag, and the guy's like, no, like this bag is not available here. And they're like, he's like, it's not available anywhere in Paris. Like the closest that this bag is somewhere on the countryside in France. And so I was like, oh, okay, great. Like I'm not getting this bag, wonderful. And he was like, yeah, I'm sorry, like this bag is not available anywhere, pretty much anywhere in France. And because it's August, Paris or France literally goes on vacation. Like the entire country goes on vacation in August, including the Louis Vuitton factories. So he was like, I don't really know if you'll get this bag. So literally the last day, the day before I left, I went to my local Louis Vuitton store, like by my apartment that I was living in Paris. And I was like, okay, let me just see. And then I asked him, like, do you have this bag? And he was like, just hold on one moment. And then he miraculously showed it to me, and he was like, yep, this is literally like the last bag. We just got it in this morning. We only got one in. And he's like, this is probably the last bag in Paris. So like, you have it, do you want it or not? And so I was like, okay, cool, this is for me. So yeah, so let's just get into the unboxing of the wonderful bag that was meant for me. Cool. So when you buy a Louis Vuitton bag or anything Louis Vuitton, it comes in like this, it comes in this like beautifully nice orange like bag that will probably change again eventually, like when they like go through different marketing. But as of now, if you buy a Louis Vuitton bag soon, excuse me, it'll come in the orange bag with the royal blue writing and the royal blue straps. So yes, exciting. I also, when you also purchase the bag, it comes with like an envelope with your receipt inside of it to like show that you got this bag. And so it'll look like that, and then with the legitimate receipt attached to the paper. So with purchasing a Louis Vuitton in France or in Paris, yeah, in Paris, France, you save so much money. I saved about $400 purchasing this bag versus if I was to buy it in the US. So the bag cost, I want to say a little bit over $1,200 in the US versus 915 euros. And then you also get a tax refund. So I saved about $400, like 400 US dollars buying it in Paris. So that's exciting. Great. So let's get to the unboxing. I'm so excited. I have not seen this bag since I bought it. Since the guy like showed it to me and then went to go wrap it up since I've been in Paris, because I wanted to save it and open it on camera so I can share with you guys this amazing moment of my life. Great. Yeah, cool. So inside the bag, they wrap every Louis Vuitton piece that you buy, like they wrap it in a nice box with a cute little ribbon. So yeah, it's in the same orange color with the same like royal blue font and this cute gold ribbon that I'll probably keep as a token or a memory from when I was in Paris, France. So yeah, so then let's just undo the ribbon. So pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this ribbon for sure. And then inside of the box, you just open it like so, and then inside is the Louis Vuitton duster bag. So each bag comes wrapped in its duster. That way you can protect the bag when you're not using it at home. And so then we take out the bag, and yeah, so now, cool. Okay, so yeah, now it's in its duster bag, and it just says Louis Vuitton on the front, and I will make sure to keep this. And then this is the beautiful bag that I got. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, I forgot how cute this bag really was until just now, because I haven't seen it in so long. It smells so good. I can smell like the canvas and the leather. It's so pretty. Yeah, I love this bag. So can we just take a moment and like relish at how beautiful this bag is? Like, look at that, look at that, look at her, she's so cute. So anyway, this bag is the Alma BB in the damier print, and it's quite a small bag. So I will say, like, this bag is like close to my head, like if you can see like the size of it. It is a crossbody bag, but I felt like it was a really good purchase for myself. Like, I knew I wanted to buy a Louis bag. I didn't want a Speedy bag or never full bag, because those are just, like, no offense, really basic to anybody that has one. Well, not basic, it's just like I could always find that bag. I don't think that bag will ever stop being in production, versus this bag eventually, I don't know, but this bag I felt was more unique. And it was the last one in Paris, so it was meant for me. And yeah, so then we're just gonna open it up, and it has the gold zipper and the gold hardware. And then on the inside, it's like this beautiful bright red, and it has one pocket on the side, and then it comes with a leather strap. That way I can hook it and make it a crossbody bag. And even the hardware is so pretty. And yeah, I was kind of torn when it came to buying this bag if I should have gotten it in its original monogram print, because I thought that was really pretty. But then I thought that was really pretty, and they had a bunch of those, and the gentleman that was helping me was really just like, everybody in Paris, at least everyone has that bag, versus I think here in America everyone has this bag, but this is the bag that I genuinely wanted. And then on the inside it's red, and then I have the crossbody bag, and I added the strap, that way it turns into a crossbody. And then on the inside is like this cute Louis Vuitton pouch that has, oof, come on, open, that has the signature like Louis Vuitton lock that comes with every bag. So but yeah, so this is my Louis Vuitton bag, and I'm super excited. The one thing is, I'm not sure how I can open this lock. I think I need a key. And then also I'm a little nervous on like if I should actually sell the bag or not. Well, not sell the bag, I'm gonna keep this obviously, but I want to get it hot pressed with my initials, but I'm debating if I really should. That way I can actually make a profit on it if I ever wanted to sell it. But I don't think I'll ever sell it because she's my first and I love her so much. So yeah, this is the Alma BB in the damier print, and this is my first Louis bag. And yeah, this was like, I really do like this bag. I like it a lot just because I purchased it with my own money, and like I saved up and I worked hard for this bag, and I went about it in a smart way by purchasing it in Paris and saving a lot more money than actually purchasing it in the US, and that was an experience all itself. So that was exciting. And yeah, so this is my Louis bag, and I really hope you guys like this video, and I really hope that yeah, I just hope you like this video. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video, and please leave comments or questions down below on like how I went about the bag and how I went about like purchasing it and whatnot. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.